Hey guys, welcome back, and today I wanted to do a look using the new Jackie Aina and Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. I feel like doing a purple look, so I'm thinking of using Shookington, that nice purple right there. And if you didn't see my swatches on Instagram, I have the actual live swatches and I also have pictures, and I'm gonna try and insert it in here. And that's how the palette looks like. I really like it because the shimmers are not chunky at all. I don't like chunky glitter or chunky shimmers when you put it on. It's very smooth application. So I'm gonna start off. My eyebrows are already done. Okay, I'm gonna use this primer that I've never used before, and this is the Touch and Sew No Problem Essence Primer. It's like an essence and a primer in all in one. Huh. Okay. Smells nice. It's pretty light, feels light on the skin. Not heavy at all. Then for my foundation, I'm gonna use my favorite foundation, and that's the Lancome Tint Idole Foundation. And I'm in the shade 500. And I'm gonna do something different today. I'm gonna add the Fazali Skin Tune Blur Primer, and I'm gonna add this on top of this and kind of mix the foundation with together with this Fazali thing. I absolutely love this thing. Oops, I was having a hard time getting it out of the bottle. It's pretty thick. I think I'm running out. Okay, let's blend all these out together. This method of mixing the two, I wanted to see if it actually works better or if it's better when I put the Fazali on its own and then I put the foundation on top. And I'm using Sigma Flat Kabuki F80 flat brush, one of my favorite brushes. I just realized I did my foundation first today before I did my eyeshadow. I always do it the other way around, eyeshadow first before foundation. Just so that in case I have any fallout, I don't have much work to do, but hopefully I won't have a lot of fallout. I'm gonna put some eyeshadow primer, and today I wanna use the Smashbox 24-hour primer eyeshadow base. Actually, it's not a base, it's an eyeshadow primer. I think I'll go with Supreme. Then I'll go in with Big Wig. Then I'll go in with Shookington. I'm gonna go with Supreme, and I'm gonna put that as my transition shade. I'm using a very, very light hand. I'm using a Morphe M514. I don't really like these Morphe brushes because the bristles tend to really, you see that, like stick out. The ones with the white bristles, but the ones with the black bristles, they seem to do a pretty good job. All right, I'm just adding a little bit more color of the same Supreme. I'm gonna go in with Big Wig, and I'm gonna put that right in there in my crease. And I'm gonna be using a Sigma Small Tapered Blending Brush in E45. And it's a little tapered, so it's a little pointed, and it's easy to get right there in the corner, in the socket in my eye right there, like right there, because I kind of want to darken the crease a bit. Again, I just took Big Wig and I kind of just put it in there to darken the crease. Go in there with windshield wiper motions. And it just darkens the crease. I really like this brush from Sigma. You see it's tapered, it's kind of sharp. I'm gonna add a little bit more. Kind of like to pat it in fast. I'm gonna go back with Supreme again, and this kind of, because I lost it up here, and just put more. Not really much, but just a little bit. Just a bit to buff out that Big Wig. I'm going to take the P. Louise base in color Ruma 04, and I'm gonna put that on my lid because I want that shimmer purple to really pop. And I'm gonna use a flat brush, and this is from ColourPop. I'm gonna take such a very little bit and just put it on there. I'm not really cutting the crease. I'm more just putting it on the lid. I'm gonna put some more. I'm gonna put it all the way back here. Then I'm going to use the brush that came with the palette, and I'm gonna use a flat side, and I'm going to take the color Shookington, that, and I'm gonna put it where I've put the base. That shade is beautiful. Whoa. And I'm kind of putting it just halfway. I'm not gonna go all the way back there because I'm gonna put another shade. Then I'm gonna go back with the pointed brush from Sigma with a very dark purple without adding any product, and just kind of blend all that just so that I can have a seamless transformation, so I don't have any demarcation lines. It's kind of blend the shimmer with the matte. Doing the same thing with this eye, just adding the base. I'm going to try using a flat brush to pack in Shookington on the other eyelid, and I'm using the Luxie 246 Precision Crease. I want to see which brush does a better job. Okay, taking my Sigma brush again and kind of blending all that again. And I'm gonna just kind of wipe the sides. What I did is just get in with a wet wipe and just kind of did that. As you saw, I didn't have a lot of fallout at all with these shadows, and that's actually pretty nice. I want to put concealer, and I'm gonna use ColourPop No Filter Concealer, and I'm in the shade Dark 46. You can always, if you want to shape like your eye right there, you can always do it at this stage with your beauty blender and your concealer. You can, instead of like putting tape over here to shape your eye, you can always do this and it's gonna have that shape, you know, like a sharp line if you want that. I'm going to set this concealer, and today I'm going to use a loose powder. I'm going to try this. I haven't done this in a while, and I normally use a fixed powder. And I'm going to be using Nutmeg, that's too bright. And this is from Fenty Beauty. You know those when you buy something in Sephora and you get a sample, and this thing lasts a long time. And I'm gonna use this brush from Andrea Renee Peach and Pearl. Oh, this smells so good. The nutmeg, it smells wonderful. I actually don't put a lot of powder so that it does not, the concealer does not appear cakey. To bring color back to the face, I'm gonna use the Sephora Micro Smooth Bake powder in the shade Deep 60, and I'm gonna be using this big powder brush that I absolutely love. This is from It Cosmetics, and this is the number 225 complexion powder brush. Okay, and this just brings color, you know, back to the face. If you feel the concealer was too bright, you can always darken it with this. To contour, I'm gonna use Fenty Beauty, and this is Mocha Mami. Looks like that. Beautiful red. I always put this shade like all over lid, doesn't matter, and I'm going to work. I put a liner and I'm done. And I'm using also this another brush from Andrea Renee and Peach and Pearl, and this angled brush. I absolutely love Andrea Renee's brushes. They are so soft. See? Woo! That's a lot. For blush and highlighter, I'm gonna use this Cover FX kit that I got from BoxyCharm, and this is in the shade Medium Deep, and this is how it looks like inside. It has the contour here, you can see, and the blush over here, and then it has a highlighter, and a bright. But I think I'm gonna use, I tend to like this highlighter here, and I'm gonna use their blush, and I'm gonna be using a Sigma Small Duo Fiber in F55 for the blush. That's not bad at all, actually. You can see the shade right there. And this highlighter, okay, that's the highlighter. I don't even really see it. That's really okay. Oh, I see it now. And I'm using a Sigma High Cheek Bone highlighter in the number F03. I think the lighting is easy on this side so you guys can see. Ooh, that's pretty. Yeah. For my eyes, I'm gonna use the Quick Flick Perfect Wing, and this I got from Australia. They come in like this, tells you this is the left side, and then it has the liner on this side, and then you get two, and then this one tells you the right eye, and then you have a liner too on the other end. And this is a 10mm, and this is the medium. I'm gonna show you how it looks like. This is for the left eye, so you stamp. That's how the wing looks like, and then you use the liner on this end to line your eye. We'll do that with the right eye first. Hope you can see this. And then you line it using the liner. Then I'm just gonna leave it like that. The left one was a little bit more cooperative than my right eye. So this is the Modest. They have small, modest, and grand, and this is the Modest. If you can see here, that's a 10mm. That's the Modest. This is the size, and these guys are doing so well. They won the Beauty Global Awards for 2019 winner. It does not move, and I applied when I was showing you guys, and this thing does not move. But let's try if I take this. Is just a regular wipe. It comes right off. For my top lashes, I'm gonna be using this mascara from Tarte, and it's the Big Ego mascara, and I'm just putting that on my top lashes. I'm gonna put my setting spray right now before I fix my eyelashes. I'm gonna use the Morphe setting spray mist. That always feels so good. Take the beauty blender again and stamp all that in. Going back to the palette, I'm gonna go back to Big Wig with a pencil brush, and again this is from Andrea Renee Peach and Pearl, and I'm gonna put Big Wig on my bottom lids. I'm gonna use a Sonia Kashuk. This is the color change sponge, and I got this from Target because I want to use the same brush. Just swirl it around, and it changes the color. It takes away the color from the brush, so you can use a different color using the same brush. I'm gonna go back to Shookington, the shimmer we have on our lids, and I'm gonna put that also on my bottom lid. Then I'm gonna go in with Pat McGrath. This is a brown liner in Black Coffee. It's really glide smooth. It looks like it's black, but it's really brown. Then I'm gonna line my bottom lids. Then for my bottom lashes, I'm gonna use the Carbon Black mascara in L'Oreal Telescopic mascara. I really like this mascara for my bottom eyelashes because it's really flexible. You can see this wand. And for my eyelashes today, I'm gonna be using the Kiss Look So Natural eyelashes, and I got this from Influenster, and this is how they look like. Very beautiful. I don't know if they have a number. They just say KFL. I don't know if that's the number. And if you can see that, I'll be right back. For my lips, I'm gonna go with ColourPop liner in Leather, which is like a deep purple to kind of match the look. I'm also gonna wear MAC lip gloss in the shade Soar, S-O-A-R. Then I'm gonna put the gloss all over. All right, guys, that's all I have for you today. I went and popped in my wig. I've not had this wig in such a long time. It was only like 40 bucks in the beauty supply. I really hope you like this look. I absolutely love this palette. Let me know if you've used it, if you're planning to get it. And that's all for today, folks. Thank you so much for sticking out with me again. And again, be kind to yourselves and be kind to one another. Bye.